Good morning friends, welcome to all of you to my Biobuster channel. Previously we have started with the chapter number 3, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Here we have seen Mendel's laws, the interaction of genes, and now we are going to proceed towards the linkage and crossing over. Now we shall see what is this linkage. You see that there are many genes. For example, here we have considered two genes, capital A and capital B, small a and small b. These genes are arranged in a chromosome. On this chromosome, these two genes are arranged. These are arranged in the linear fashion, in the line. They are tied to one another. These are bound to each other. They are said to be linked. The genes which are linearly arranged on the chromosome, these are tied to each other. These are bound to each other. And these are said to be linked. Capital A and capital B, these two genes are said to be linked. Small a and small b, these two genes are said to be linked. These genes are present on the same chromosome. Capital A and capital B, these are present on this chromosome. Small a and small b, these are present on this chromosome. These genes are present on the same chromosome. They have tendency to transmit together. They have tendency to transmit together. Together means capital A and capital B, these are transmitting together. They are not separated. Small a and small b, these are transmitted together. These are not separated. Here, this tendency of genes to transmit together, this is called as linkage. Here we may define the linkage as tendency of genes in the chromosome to remain together in the process of inheritance. For example, here capital A and capital B, these are present together. These will go to one gamete, means these are capital A, capital B. These small a and small b, these genes will be transmitted together, means in the gamete small a and small b. Here this tendency of genes in the chromosomes to remain together, they remain bound in the process of inheritance, this is called as linkage. Here in this case what happens, you can see that old or the parental combinations, capital A, capital B and small a, small b, these are more than 50%. It means that when this organism, it forms the gametes, you can see that these two genes, these are together, these two genes, these are together. In this case, these are old combinations. Old combinations are the parental combination, means in the parent, capital A and capital B, these are present together. Small a and small b, these are present together. Means these are the old combinations or the parental combinations. When it is forming the gametes, these gametes are old combinations, that is capital A, capital B, small a, small b. These old combinations or the parental combinations, these are more than 50%. That means there is a linkage. If these are less than 50%, we can say that there is a crossing over. There is a recombination. But in this case, these old combinations or the parental combination, these are more than 50% of the total. Suppose here this is a hybrid. We are taking the same example. This hybrid, genotypes of this hybrid are capital A, small a, capital B, small a, capital A, small a, capital B, small b. Here this is a genotype. When this hybrid forms the gametes, capital A and capital B, they are transferred to one gamete. Small a and small b, these are transferred to one gamete. Means capital A and capital B, these are linked. Small a and small b, these are linked. These are old or the parental combinations. Capital A and capital B, these are the parental combinations. Means in the parent, capital A and capital B, these are together. Small a and small b, these are together. These are old or the parental combinations. Sometimes, what happens, you can see, sometimes there is a crossing over. Here you can see that this part of one chromosome, it is joined with this part of this chromosome. This part of this chromosome is joined with this part of the chromosome. And in this way, new combinations are formed. You can see that capital A, this is capital A. This capital A is joined with the small b, this is joined with the small b. Small a, this part, it is joined with this part. Small a, it is joined with the capital B. Means these are the new combinations. These combinations are not present in the parent. These are the new combinations, or these are called as crossover combinations. Here you can see that when this hybrid forms the gametes, if there is a crossing over, here these linked genes, these are separated. Capital A and capital B, these were present together, but because of the crossing over, these are separated from one another. Capital A is along with the small a, this is along with the capital B. These are the new combinations. These are called as crossover combinations, capital A, small b, and small a, capital B. These are less than 50% of the total. Parental combinations are more than 50% of the total. But these are new combinations, these are less than 50% of the total. That's why there is a linkage. In all the cases of linkage, old combinations or parental combinations or non-crossover combinations, capital A, capital B, small b, these are more than 50% than these new combinations. In other words, old combinations are, parental combinations are more than 50% of the total, and these new combinations are less than 50% of the total. Thus, A and capital B are small a and small b. These genes remain together in the gametes. Morgan carried out several dihybrid crosses in Drosophila. Drosophila melanogaster, it is a fruit fly. This fruit fly was used for the research by Mendel, and he has carried out dihybrid crosses in this Drosophila to study that the genes were sex-linked. The crosses were made similar to dihybrid crosses carried out by Mendel. In the pea plant, Mendel has carried out dihybrid crosses considering two pairs of contrasting characters. Similar crosses were carried out by Morgan. Here, linkage was discovered in plants. This linkage was discovered in animals by Morgan. But in case of plants, this linkage was discovered by Beteisen and Punnett, and in animals by T.H. Morgan. Sometimes a question is asked, who discovered the linkage in plants? Linkage in plant was discovered by Beteisen and Punnett, and in animals, linkage was discovered by T.H. Morgan. Then kinds of linkage: complete linkage and incomplete linkage. Linkage is of two types, complete and incomplete. In case of complete linkage, linked genes which are closely located on the chromosome, they do not separate. Here, suppose capital A, capital B, small a and small b. These genes are linked together. Genes which are closely related, closely located on the chromosome, they do not separate. Means these are transferred as capital A, capital B, and these are transferred as small b, small b. They are called completely linked. These genes which are present in the parent, similar group, similar gene, these are transferred in the gametes or in the next generation. This is called as, there is no crossing over, and this is called as complete linkage. These are called as completely linked genes or strongly linked genes. The phenomenon of this inheritance, phenomenon of their inheritance, this is called as complete linkage. When genes are tied together, these are inherited together as the parental combinations, and this is called as a complete linkage. Thus parental traits are inherited in the offspring. म्हणजे पॅरेंट मध्ये जे कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत तेच ऑफस्प्रिंग मध्ये पुढे गेल्यानंतर ते इनहेरिट होतात. दीज आर ट्रान्सफर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, एक्स क्रोमोसोम्स ऑफ ड्रोसोफिला मेल shows complete linkage. Complete linkage is rarely observed, but it is observed in case of X chromosome of Drosophila male, and which is showing a complete linkage. Then incomplete linkage. When incomplete linkage occurs, linked genes which are distantly related. आता समजा आपण दुसरं उदाहरण घेऊ. हा X, this is Y, this is Z. Suppose these three genes are present. These genes, these are closely placed. Here there is small x, small y and small z. These are very closely related, closely placed. These are distantly placed. या दोन्हीच्या मध्ये अंतर जास्त आहे, या दोन्हीच्या मध्ये अंतर कमी आहे. दोन्हीच्या मध्ये अंतर कमी असल्यामुळं या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होत नाही. या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होऊ शकतं, पण या ठिकाणी दोन जवळजवळ जर ते असतील तर त्या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग होऊ शकत नाही. इफ लिंक्ड जीन्स विच आर डिस्टंटली प्लेस्ड, ते एकमेकापासून जर लांब असतील तर त्याच्यामध्ये क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर असं क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतं. And this part is joined with this part. Thus, new combinations are produced. The linked genes which are distantly located on the same chromosome, these are separated by crossing over, and this is called as, these are known as incompletely linked or weakly linked genes. The phenomenon of inheritance, this is called as incomplete linkage. मगाशी आपण पाहिलं complete linkage म्हणजे parent मध्ये जसं combination आहे तसंच offspring मध्ये combination येतं because of कम्प्लिटली लिंक्ड जीन्स. परंतु काही वेळेला क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर जर झालं तर त्या ठिकाणी नवीन कॉम्बिनेशन तयार होतं, म्हणजे कॅपिटल ए स्मॉल ए कॅपिटल बी अशा प्रकारचं नवीन कॉम्बिनेशन तयार होतं. दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज इनकम्प्लीट लिंकेज. आता इनकम्प्लीट लिंकेजमुळे काय होतं, न्यू ट्रेट्स ॲपियर इन द ऑफस्प्रिंग. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी या दोन्हीचं काय होणार, कॅपिटल ए स्मॉल बी आणि स्मॉल ए कॅपिटल बी हे कॉम्बिनेशन आहे. हे कॉम्बिनेशन आल्यामुळे नवीन कॅरेक्टर्स येणार. नवीन कॅरेक्टर म्हणजे याचं वेगळं कॅरेक्टर, याचं वेगळं कॅरेक्टर, याचं वेगळं कॅरेक्टर, याचं वेगळं कॅरेक्टर. इन धिस वे यू कॅन सी दॅट when crossing over takes place, new traits, new characters are observed in the offspring. Examples of these are Gia maize, that is maize plant. In maize plant, color and shape of the grain, they show incomplete linkage. ते कलर आणि शेप हे लिंक्ड असायला पाहिजे, परंतु ते लिंक्ड नाही. दे शो इनकम्प्लीट लिंकेज बिकॉज समटाइम्स कलर अँड शेप these characters, these are segregated or separated. Then sex linkage. Here we have seen, in the previous videos we have seen X chromosome. This is the X chromosome. This is the Y chromosome. There are two sex chromosomes in human and in many mammals. X chromosome and this is the Y chromosome. Transmission of X-linked and Y-linked genes. Genes या X आणि Y chromosome वरती आहे. Their transmission. This is called as sex-linked inheritance. Transmission or inheritance of X-linked and Y-linked genes from parents to the offspring. This is called as sex-linked inheritance. Sex-linked inheritance is of three types: X-linked, Y-linked, and XY-linked. X-linked, Y-linked, and XY-linked. These are the three types of sex-linked inheritance. Sex linkage is also of two types. आपण आता normal linkage पाहिले, complete linkage and incomplete linkage. In the same way, sex linkage is also of two types: complete sex linkage and incomplete sex linkage. Then you can see here, this complete sex linkage, it is shown by the genes which are located on non-homologous regions on X and Y chromosomes. आता या ठिकाणी capital A, small a, capital B, small b. Here there is alpha, suppose here there is beta and this is gamma. These are the three genes. Here different genes are present. Suppose it is we can say Z or H. Suppose H gene is present here. Here in both the regions the genes are similar. So this region is called as homologous region. This is the homologous region of X chromosome. This is the homologous region of Y chromosome. Here you can see that in the other part, different genes are present. These are dissimilar parts. This part is not similar with this. It has alpha, beta and gamma genes. Here there is H gene, means these parts are different. So these parts of the chromosome X and Y chromosome, these are called as non-homologous regions. And हा जो खालचा part आहे, these are having similar genes. These are having similar morphology. Capital A, capital B, or capital A, small b. These are the similar regions. These are called as homologous regions, and these regions are non-homologous regions. This is complete linkage is exhibited by genes which are located on non-homologous regions. Genes which are present on the non-homologous region. म्हणजे हे जे नॉन होमोलोगस क्रोमोझोमवरती जीन्स आहेत, दीज आर ट्रान्समिटेड टुगेदर. कारण या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होत नाही, या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होऊ शकतं. क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर कॅनॉट ऑकर इन द नॉन होमोलोगस रिजन. क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर कॅन ऑकर इन द होमोलोगस रिजन ऑफ होमोलोगस these two chromosomes. Here the genes which are present on the non-homologous region of X and Y chromosome, they inherit together. ते एकत्र जातात कारण या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होत नाही, त्यामुळे यांचं एक्सचेंज होत नाही. They inherit together because crossing over does not occur. Examples of X-linked traits, characters. X-linked characters कोणते आहेत? हिमोफिलिया, त्याचा जीन या ठिकाणी असू शकतो. रेड ग्रीन कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. रेड आणि ग्रीन या कलरमध्ये फरक लक्षात येत नाही, त्याला म्हणायचं रेड ग्रीन कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. मायोपिया म्हणजे जवळचं दिसतं, नियर सायटेडनेस. एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ वाय-लिंक्ड ट्रेट्स. ह्या ठिकाणी जे जीन्स आहेत, these are Y-linked genes and they are producing Y-linked characters. Why these are Y-linked traits are hypertrichosis. Hypertrichosisचा जीन या ठिकाणी नॉन होमोलोगस रिजन मध्ये असतो. इस्थायोसिस याचाही जीन या नॉन होमोलोगस रिजन मध्ये Y क्रोमोझोमच्या असू शकतो. आता इनकम्प्लीट सेक्स लिंकेज. Incomplete sex linkage. This is shown by the genes which are present on the homologous regions. या homologous region वरती जे जीन्स आहेत तर त्यांच्यामध्ये क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतो. हिअर इनकम्प्लीट लिंकेज कशामध्ये आढळते तर होमोलोगस रिजन ऑफ एक्स अँड वाय क्रोमोझोम. आता या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होऊ शकतं. या ठिकाणी हा पार्ट याला जोडला जाऊ शकतो आणि हा पार्ट याला जोडला जाऊ शकतो. म्हणजे कॅपिटल ए स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल ए कॅपिटल बी, या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होऊ शकतं. This occurs in the homologous region of X and Y chromosome. They do not inherit. Genes which are present here, they do not inherit together, but they are separated during the crossing over. They do not inherit together because crossing over takes place between these regions. Examples of XY linked traits. XY linked typeचा inheritance आहे. हे जे traits आहेत, ते characters आहेत. These are total color blindness. This colorblind person cannot identify, distinguish the different colors. Nephritis, retinitis, and pigmentosa. These are the abnormalities. These are occurred or these are caused because of XY linked, or these are the XY linked characters or the traits. Then crossing over. आता crossing over कसं होतं आपण 11th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे. Crossing over it is a process that produces new combinations. आपण आताच पाहिलं. They are producing the new combinations or the recombinations of genes by exchanging the corresponding segments between non-sister chromatids. You shall see the meaning of this one. It occurs during the Pachytene stage of prophase first of meiosis. Meiosis होत असताना, गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन होत असताना जी सेल डिव्हिजन होते त्या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर पॅचिटिन स्टेजमध्ये तुम्हाला आढळेल. आता आपण डिटेल्समध्ये पुढे पाहूया. इट ऑकर्स ड्युरिंग द पॅचिटिन स्टेज ऑफ मियोसिस फर्स्ट. द टर्म क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर. आता हे क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर टर्म कुणी सुरुवातीला वापरली? दिस वॉज युज्ड बाय मॉर्गन ऑर T.H. मॉर्गन. द टर्म क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर दिस वॉज गिवन बाय T.H. मॉर्गन. द मेकॅनिझम ऑफ क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 4 सिक्वेन्शियल स्टेप्स. पहिली जी आहे सिनॅप्सिस म्हणजे पेरिंग, टेट्रॅड फॉर्मेशन, देन क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर अँड टर्मिनलायझेशन. वी आर गोइंग टू सी these steps. Phenomenon of crossing over is universal. It occurs in every organism and it is necessary. आता ही क्रॉसिंग ओव्हरची जी प्रोसेस आहे ही कशासाठी आवश्यक आहे तर क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर झाल्यामुळं नवीन रिकॉम्बिनेशन्स तयार होतात. इट इन्क्रीजेस दी चान्सेस ऑफ व्हेरिएशन. मग ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये जे बदल दिसतात आपल्याला, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर. देन वी शॅल सी दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ crossing over. Here, leptotin, this is a first stage of meiosis first. आता लेप्टोटीन मध्ये काय होतं, हे homologous chromosomes आहेत. These are the homologous chromosomes, similar chromosomes. These homologous chromosomes, you can see these are now separate. In the zygote stage, next stage is zygote stage. In the zygote stage, homologous chromosomes, they come together and pairing between these homologous chromosomes starts. Chromosomes are shortened, they are coming near to each other and pairing, त्यांचं homologous chromosomes pairing सुरू होतं. This is called as Pachytene. This occurs in the Pachytene stage of meiosis first. Zygote stage. In the Pachytene stage, you can see that each chromosome splits vertically into two chromatids. म्हणजे आता हा लाल हा जो क्रोमोझोम लाल क्रोमोझोम आहे त्यापासून दोन क्रोमॅटिड तयार होतात. हा ब्ल्यू आहे याच्यापासून दोन क्रोमॅटिड तयार होतात. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला क्लिअर दिसेल की हा निळ्यापासून दोन क्रोमॅटिड तयार होतात, लालपासून दोन क्रोमॅटिड तयार होतात. आता पुढं काय होतं, आता हे जे निळे दोन क्रोमॅटिड्स आहेत these are sister chromatids. दोन लाल क्रोमॅटिड्स आहेत these are sister chromatids. परंतु एक निळा आणि एक लाल these are non-sister chromatids. Here you can see chromatids of the same chromosome, these are sister chromatids. Chromatids of the different chromosome, these are called non-sister chromatids. आता काय होतं, आता हा जो निळाचा जो क्रोमॅटिड आहे आणि लालचा क्रोमॅटिड आहे, दे आर एक्सचेंजिंग सेगमेंट्स. त्याचे सेगमेंट एकमेकापासून एक्सचेंज होतात. याचा पार्ट त्याला दिला जातो, त्याचा पार्ट याला घेतला जातो. आता या ठिकाणी पहा, या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतं, या ठिकाणी क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतं. म्हणजे हा जो रेड पार्ट आहे तर ह्या निळ्याला जोडला जातो, हा निळा पार्ट आहे तो हा रेडला जोडला जातो. आता या ठिकाणी एक्स लाईक स्ट्रक्चर तयार होतं. दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज काइझमॅट. These are called chiasmata. Here cross-like figure is formed, cross-like structure is formed. This is called as chiasmata. And in this way, there is exchange of segments. तर याला हा निळा सेगमेंट जोडला जातो, या रेडला हा निळा सेगमेंट जोडला जातो. Here you can see that because of this, आता या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला तुकडे दिसतील. या निळ्याला हा लाल जोडलेला आहे आणि या लालला याच्या खाली हा निळा जोडलेला आहे. Means there is a exchange of segments of the chromatids. एक्सचेंज ऑफ सेगमेंट ऑफ क्रोमॅटिड्समुळे काय होतं तर त्याच्यामध्ये जीन असणारे जे जीन्स आहेत these are also separated. In this case you can see that this chromatid, this is a blue part, this is a red part, this is a red part, this is a blue part, means these parts, these are exchanged. आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्याच्यावरती जे जीन्स असतात these are also exchanged. And then afterwards in the dikinesis stage of meiosis, first of meiosis first, you can see that after the crossing over these chromosomes are separated. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी पेरिंग आहे, काइझमॅटा फॉर्मेशन होतं, सेगमेंट्स एकमेकापासून एक्सचेंज होतात आणि त्याच्यानंतर हे एक्सचेंज झालेले सेगमेंट्स असणारे क्रोमोझोम्स हे एकमेकापासून दूर होतात. दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज टर्मिनलायझेशन. Thus you can see that the crossing over consists of steps, following steps: synapsis, म्हणजे homologous chromosomes come together; tetrad formation, a chromosome vertically split into two chromatids, म्हणजे चार क्रोमॅटिड तयार होते, त्याला म्हणायचं tetrad formation. क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर आपण पाहिलं, क्रॉस लाईन फिगर तयार होते. टर्मिनलायझेशन, एकमेकापासून दूर होतात. दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर. T.H. Morgan, in the year 1866 and 1945, is his period. Thomas Hunt Morgan was American biologist. He was American biologist. He used fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, as an experimental material for his research, and he established chromosomal theory of inheritance. With the experiments using this Drosophila melanogaster, T.H. Morgan has established the chromosomal theory of inheritance. He also discovered principle of linkage, principle of sex linkage, principle of crossing over. Means linkage, sex linkage and crossing over, these were discovered by T.H. Morgan. Morgan's work played a very important role in the field of genetics. त्या जेनेटिक्समध्ये टी.एच. मॉर्गनचं जे वर्क आहे त्याला अतिशय महत्त्व आहे. ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड ए नोबेल प्राइज इन द इयर 1933 in physiology and medicine because of the T.H. Morgan's work on the Drosophila melanogaster. He has established chromosomal theory of inheritance, and he also discovered the principle of linkage, principle of sex linkage and crossing over. Due to his work, he was awarded a Nobel Prize in the year 1933 in the physiology and medicine. This is about the linkage and crossing over. Just now we have seen that how the genes are linked together, which are present on the same chromosome, and how these are exchanged, how the segments of the chromatids are exchanged during the process of crossing over. मित्रो, आपणास जर हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर कृपया लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.